My name is Kim Namjoon, also known as RM, the leader of the group BTS. And our fans have become a major part of this campaign with their action and with their enthusiasm. We truly have the best fans in the world. If there's anything that I've achieved, it was only possible that I have my other BTS members right by my side, and because of the love and the support that our ARMY fans all over the world made for us.
방탄소년단
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 방탄소년단입니다.
방탄소년단
방탄소년단
방탄소년단.
방탄소년단 방탄소년단
방탄소년단.
방탄소년단
BTS 방탄소년단
아미 아미 아미.
We'll make it to the other side. Like always do.
아멘.
I reach my hands out in the dark.
정말 사랑하고요.
아멘. 감사합니다.
Until I go with you. Only for you.
아멘. 아미, do you hear me?
Even when they say there's nothing left. So don't give up.
You guys are the best in the world.
여러분 진짜 함께 있어주셔서 감사합니다. 사랑해요.
Happy birthday Ami, selamat ulang tahun. Aku doain kita semua dapat doa yang terbaik, semakin kompak, semakin jaya, dan semakin cinta sama BTS. Borah ya Ami. Happy anniversary Army.
Happy anniversary ARMY. I hope you will always be the best from BTS.
Happy birthday dear Army, and happy birthday to you. Happy anniversary Army, berakhir.
Happy anniversary ARMY. Semoga kita bahagia selalu, nggak boleh sedih-sedih. Stay believe yourself dan harus selalu semangat dalam keadaan apapun, dan harus selalu support idol kita karena aku, kamu, dan kita, we are powerful you.
Happy birthday to every ARMY members. I hope we can support BTS.
Happy anniversary ARMY. Semoga kita menjadi ARMY sejati, menjadi ARMY yang selalu menyayangi dan mendukung selalu Bangtan Happy anniversary ARMY.
Semoga makin selalu cinta, sayang, bangga jadi
Semua happy anniversary.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday ARMY. Sayang juga Hamida, sayang juga dear ARMY, sayang juga Hamida. Happy anniversary ARMY. Sorry buat para ARMY yang ada di dunia. Kita semakin
Happy anniversary ARMY yang ke-7 tahun. Happy ARMY Day, semoga semakin sukses dan semakin kompak.
I love you guys.
Yeay, happy anniversary Army. Semoga kita Army tetap selalu solid, selalu support Banten ya.
Amin. Happy Annie. Thank you juga Hamida. Doaku semoga kedepannya kita makin kompak dan sama-sama untuk ngedukung BTS yang kita sayangi. I love you.
Happy anniversary Army.
Annyeong. Happy anniversary, Ami.